Good morning, viewers. Mike here. We're having a bit of an ice storm here. Freezing rain. The temperature's about 31 degrees. And we're heading for the shop. And this ice storm is going to make my commute to work a little bit longer than normal. So I'll have to allow some extra time. Alright, made the trip safe and sound here. Okay guys, I got the saddle all cleaned up. Believe me, there's no pretty way to do that. I have blown brake clean up through each one of the lines to verify that it's open, and also I found that these metering jets, there are 10 of these running at about 10 to 12 bucks a piece. All of the jets are plugged up. I guess they are prone to building up wax over a period of time from the way loop. And so I need to get those ordered, and we can start putting this thing back together.